Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I wanted to go over our trading today. It is January 6, 2015, the second trading day of the year, and the second trading day of the week, and the second trading day of the month. Oh my God. Um, we finished very early this morning, and let me just see one thing here. What happened was I closed the trader, and it erased the trades. And I believe so. I'm just trying to recreate them. And I don't think that was it. I'm pretty sure. So the thing is, I'm pretty sure we were done by 10:05, and I'm trying to find the first trade that we took. And I know we took a trade on crude. And I'm trying to find the other trade we took. It was a big trade, and I think it was right here. Yes, this was it for sure. It went 19 ticks. And that's exactly the two trades that we got. So let's first take a look at gold. This was a quick trade. We were only in the room a few minutes. 9:06. We got the break, the retracement. Now, it was a little bit of a dangerous trade because I didn't have bias, and the 15 was just crossing the 50. But I had order flow and momentum with me, and the trade went down for 19 ticks. Now, as we scroll through gold later on, I saw this was I mean, if we were still trading, this is just an incredible trade. I mean, background bias is red. And this trade goes 27 ticks. Absolutely gorgeous trade. No question you'd be in on this trade. Perfect break of the 50 and the 15. Retracement right back to the 15. Down with order flow and momentum. That's a very dangerous C candle to take long. There's another long with room to the pivot. For 20 ticks. And gold just took off. Here's another opportunity right here. Would have made your first target. Now here's a short without bias. A very risky trade. If you took it, you would have gotten stopped out. And that's it. So a lot of excellent trading opportunities on gold. We took that 19 tick trade. The Russell we did not trade. We traded it in sim mode after we finished. It was very choppy and very, very difficult. That was a sim trade, not a real trade. And the Russell just crashed. And then we had a really nice trade on crude. And let me just refresh the chart for a second here. Okay, now we've got the bias back. And just had a really beautiful trade. We had the break and the retracement, which I missed, but then we had another move down, retracement, and this one I took. And this one went 12 ticks. It was a little risky because it was into a pivot, and the pivot could have turned the trade, but I just felt we had too much going with us. Strong modified 15, order flow and momentum. It seemed like a great trade. I knew that bias was coming. So we had our two trades. We had a 19-tick trade and we had a 12-tick trade. And then there's a lot of chop here on crude. No way to get that move up. Here's a trade. Retracement. For 10. And there's the same trade again. Now this one you have to believe this is going to be a pivot breaker. It's a little bit of a risky trade. But these C candles that are really tight to the pivot really tend to break, and that was 13 ticks. So a lot of additional trading opportunities after we closed. And I'll just quickly show you the ES. Now we had no trades on the ES today. We took a couple on SIM in the room afterwards. You can see the ES has really been a one-way trip down. 941. There's the break. There's the retracement. That's 7 ticks. Now this is a trade I took on SIM. I took this trade up, and actually I closed it early even though it was on SIM, but it was a winner. It went 4 ticks, and that's our target. So would have gotten us to our target. And this is just a gorgeous trade. Unfortunately, we couldn't have taken it because the modified 15 was yellow, but just a great trade. And then you got this break of the 15 and the 50 with order flow and momentum. And it goes for 6.25 points. That's a beautiful trade. Retracement, and down we go. That's 2.75 points. Everything here is oversold, and that's the end. So there were some really, really great trades on the ES. So we finished the day. We had 2 trades. I have to type this in again because I erased it by mistake. And 2 winners on CL and TF. And let me just check the trades. We had 19 on TF, and we had 12 on crude. So you had plus 19, plus 12, Our net ticks were 31. Net equity was plus $400. We make $200 a trade, irregardless of how far it goes, as long as it hits our first target. Auto Trader had one trade, one winner, and it made $300. So that's our day. In a very, very choppy market, 2 trades, 2 winners. This is what I want to do. Now, our direct entry system is going to change tomorrow, and we're going to have 2 ATM strategies. When we get our $200 winners, if we get them first trade and second trade, the third trade we're going to reduce our contract size, so we'll be able to preserve our capital, decrease our risk, and also decrease our profit. But what we'd like to do is take a third trade, push it up to $500, and close the day with 3 trades, 3 winners, and a $500 profit. Now, we really, really would love you to come into the room, sign up for a free trial. You can go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our link to the daily net equity for the Auto Trader, and a link to the Contact Us page. If you want to send us any, a comment, and also the link for the sign-up page for the trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, or you can call us at 1-855-765-6681 anytime. We're here all day. We would really love to have you in the office, have you in the trading room. I think you will, when you come in, you'll see how great the system works, and I think you will sign up. So everybody have a wonderful afternoon, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.